If you need to visually present your data on Google Sheets, you're best off making charts on the program. If you need one, here's how you can add a trend line to your chart. To start, head over to sheets.google.com, log in if you aren't already, and open your sheet. You'll need to have a chart prepared for your data. If you don't, you can make one by clicking on Insert and selecting Chart. Once your sheet loads in, double-click on the chart you've prepared to select it, then click on the chart editor at the top right corner. Click on the Customize tab on the menu that pops up. Then scroll down and expand the Series tab. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the tab and click on the box next to Trendline. Sheets will then apply a visible trend line to your chart. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this guide, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.